People want you to think that you need thousands of dollars to start an online business. But what if I told you that is not true? Over the next 10 days, we are launching a fully functional dropshipping store from scratch with a budget of just $100. And here's the plan on how we are gonna do it. First, we will research on social media for a product that has the potential to make us tons of profit. Step 2 is to build a high quality and converting Shopify store, which we are gonna go more in depth on later. The final and the most important step, market the shit out of our product and make people want to buy it. Can we in just 10 days turn a $100 dropshipping store into a profitable online business? Let's find out. And our task for day 1 is to find the winning product. So I decided to ready up my setup to give myself the best chances to finding the product that will make us tons of money. To give myself the best chances, I decided to look through 2 different platforms. First up was AliExpress Trends, which I spent about 2 hours on and found some pretty interesting products on there. But of course that was not enough for me, so I also went on my TikTok burner account where I only get shown different dropshipping products. I spent another hour on there, but in the end I decided to go with the AliExpress Trends product. And trust me guys, you guys will be surprised, because this is not going to be what you guys expected. Oh guys, look what has arrived. I think I might know what this is. It's a spoon? Nah, forget about it. Our product is obviously not just a spoon, it's a scale spoon. This spoon has an integrated scale, which is perfect for weighing up your food. No matter if it's for baking or the target audience that I'm actually going to reach, the gym culture, you can see exactly how many grams of protein powder, beans, whatever you have. So I think this little buddy and me are going to make some solid sales in the next days. But first, before modifying our web store, we first need to create one. And that's where Shopify comes into play. With my link down below, you can get Shopify for the next 3 months and only pay $1 a month instead of the usual $21. So if you guys are interested in dropshipping, make sure you use my Shopify link in the description. And for the logo, I've used the Grok AI. I really think it's a nice, simple and clean logo. So the first step for our website is done. After finishing the logo, I sat down to create the best website I possibly could. And in the end, I spent 7 hours on this website. And I hope you guys are ready for the results, because I'm gonna drop them in 3, 2, 1, boom. Here are the results for our final website, and I can really tell you guys I'm very happy with this one, and I hope it brings us the sales we deserve. And this is how much money we spent by the end of day 2. We spent $9 on the product, including fast delivery time, and $1 for the Shopify subscription, which means we still have $90 open for marketing. Okay, we're on day 3, and that marks the start of our marketing journey. I've made up the plan to organically advertise from day 3 to day 5 with a new method that I found that should allow me as a European to advertise to the American community. And from day 5 onwards, the paid advertising will kick in, and to make sure this goes well, I decided to use Viral Ecom Ads. Viral Ecom Ads is the most well-known editing company in the dropshipping space. For example, with this TikTok split package, you will receive 3 different variants of a video. Each video has a unique 3-second hook, which is obviously the most important part of your advertisement video. Or if you don't want to create your own videos at all, Viral Ecom Ads can also provide you with a professional UGC creator of your choice. To make sure you will be pleased with your order, you will not only receive unlimited revisions, but also a fast 3 to 5 day delivery time. Or if you join their VIP program, you also get 75% off of every editing package, as well as a fast 1-day delivery time. If this sounds good to you, you can use the first link in the description to get 15% off of your order. Okay, I'm gonna hustle down these TikTok and Instagram reels now, and I think we're gonna see each other again on day 4, and hopefully the strategy works and we are not instantly shadow banned. Okay guys, we're officially on day 5. Hitting the US market sadly did not work out. Both of our accounts got instantly shadow banned. I think the TikTok is by now on 3 views and the Instagram reel on 8 or something. So it's safe to say this did not work. I've already set up our ad campaign, and that's what I'm going to show you guys now. Okay guys, so that's our ad campaign. Our optimization goal is set on conversion, because that's obviously what we want. We want our ads to convert into sales. Optimization event obviously complete payment, as I think the other stuff doesn't really make sense. We're targeting the UK for now, because I sadly can't pick the US. The daily budget is currently set at 20 euros, but the good thing is, for new people that signed up, TikTok basically gave us 90 euros of ad credit for free, meaning our total ad credit is at 160 euros. You're probably thinking right now, something's not adding up, because if they gave us 90 euros and we said 90 euros budget left, something is missing. The thing is, to upload money to the TikTok ad manager, you had to take over the taxes. So 21% of the 90 euros basically went to waste. We set the custom identity to a store name, Scale Spoon, and have already started the ad. The thing is, our account is currently still under review, so I think maybe tonight or tomorrow, the ads will actually really hit. If everything with the extra credit works out, I will scale up the ad value in the next days. And guys, we're on day 6, and it has just happened. Look at this. It's very hard to see for you right now, but we have just hit our first sale. Big milestone for us in this experiment. And I have to say, hearing that sound was pretty nice. Let's check out our ad statistics real quick. Okay, and these are the statistics. And so far the advertisement has cost us 19 euros. And I have to say our click-through rate is not looking too good. Maybe the stats are just not up to date yet, because the conversion rate still says 0%, which is not true as we saw. And as you can see, I upped our daily budget up to 35 euros, as our current available balance is basically at 145 euros. And I definitely want to get rid of that balance by the end of the experiment. And as you can see in Shopify, we got 23 sessions today. yesterday and 1 sale. The total order value was 16.94 €, which is including shipping. Meaning I sadly didn't purchase a bundle deal, but we take it for the first sale. Okay guys, we're officially on day 7, or is it day 8? I don't even remember if I'm being honest. But yeah, sorry for looking messed up, I just woke up. And yeah, there is some news. We did get another order yesterday, but the person did not only order 1 spoon, it's also not 2 spoons, they ordered 3 spoons, which puts our total sales to 49.16 €. I personally don't know how much that is in dollars, but I will put it in the screen somewhere here. I'm not gonna be home for the day, so the next update will be tomorrow, but I'm gonna let the ads run, but on a smaller scale. I just put back to $20 a day, because I usually like to adjust everything during the day. Before I go now, let's make a little breakdown on how much money we actually made. So yeah, as you can see, we paid $3.29 to $3.59 per spoon, which means we profit about $9.50 per spoon. And since we sold 4 spoons, the total is $38 that we profited so far, which means in total for the experiment, we're currently still losing money since we spent $62 more than what we made so far. But for the next 2 or 3 days, I'm gonna let the ads run, and hopefully we can finish off the project with profit. Okay guys, officially on day 9, and I think we have some catching up to do. As I said, on day 7 I was not home, so I did let the ads run passively, which has made us a total amount of $0. Yeah, it was something that I expected, to be honest, but I'm still a little bit scared because there's something called TikTok ad fatigue, which basically means that your ads after some time don't convert anymore. Some people say it's sometimes after a day or a week, but if it's after a day, we might be messed up. After day 7 was a disaster, we switched on to day 8 where I also was not at home, so I decided to stop the advertising for that day, which means we have a pretty hefty budget left right now. For day 9, I'm gonna let the ads run on $35 a day, and I will experiment a little bit with them, so it might not work out all too well, but hopefully that will give me all the information I need to make day 10 the final most successful day of the series so far. The last 2 days will definitely decide if we go out with profit or loss, so let's hope it's actually going to be profit. I'm definitely starting to think meta ads might as well have been the way to go, because I have never done TikTok ads before, but I thought it was kind of a cool idea for the whole experiment to do something completely new. But yeah, maybe I shot myself in the leg here. The final day of the challenge, aka day 10, and yeah, you're probably asking yourself, how much did we sell yesterday? The answer is a whooping 0. Yeah, I said I was experimenting a bit with the way we run the ads. I really think the TikTok ad fatigue is starting to hit. As you can see, our cost per click is at €1.48, which is not great but also not horrible, which means the problem must be on the website. And then this morning I figured out that I made a rookie mistake. The website didn't really look good on the phone, which is obviously very unfortunate because this could have costed us a lot of sales. So I sat down and fixed it, and hopefully for the final day we can still make some money back on the store. I went all in with a daily budget as it's the last day of the experiment, and we still somehow want to hit a little W. I will try to work on the ad manager as much as possible today to somehow make something happen, but I think it's kind of normal with a little niche product that doesn't always sell. But that's also what dropshipping is about. Not everything will sell. Some products you think might be trash make other people 50k a month, and some products you think are amazing are not selling at all. Even the most experienced dropshippers still make the mistakes of choosing products that don't work. So don't get discouraged if your first product doesn't work out, because it's totally normal. Just make sure not give up, and at one point you will make the money. I will try my hardest now to get at least 1 more last sale for the series, and I hope I don't disappoint you guys. So I'm gonna go lock in now, and we are gonna see each other again tomorrow morning, where we see the final results of the whole challenge. So like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video so far, and you guys will see the final results in 3, 2, 1, boom. Final day of the experiment. And before we get down to how much money we made, I'm gonna make a little breakdown of what I did good and what I did bad. First of all, I think the main mistake we all know about is the mistake I made with the website. It was a total rookie mistake not checking how it's gonna look on the phone, because on the desktop I really liked it. This definitely has costed us some sales, and I know for next time to not do this again. The second mistake was running TikTok ads. I think with meta ads I would have been in profit after 2 days, especially because the advertisement videos were really good. I just wanted to do something totally different this time to make the experiment fresh and new, so I tried something I never did before, aka the TikTok ads. Also, after some days I've realized why I couldn't hit the US audience or more organic reach with the TikTok and Instagram. The problem was I forgot to use an incognito browser. I used my normal browser, which probably had some traces of my European IP address, which made TikTok instantly ban these videos. For next time, definitely not making that mistake again. In total, I think we definitely have improved our website compared to last time, and also advertising videos were really good in my opinion. So yeah, it's time for us to reveal how much money we made in this experiment. As you can see, we are on a Shopify store. I've blurred out everything. I'm gonna reveal the truth in 3, 2, 1, boom. As you can see, we still have 49.16 €, meaning we didn't sell a single unit yesterday. Even though I put the price down on sale to €9.99, we still couldn't convert into a sale. I had 68 sessions yesterday, but the conversion rate of 0% really hurts us. And I think if I implement everything I said earlier, the next experiment is gonna be a big W. Or maybe I just suck at dropshipping.